Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Hosni. In today's video, I want to take you guys into my daily plan, what I'm going to do in today. Right now, I'm in my little office space. As you guys can see, this is my working place. It's a really small place. You see, this is my laptop. See, as you guys can see, this is my working place. And I want to show you guys my schedule today, my plan for today. My plan for today is, as you guys can see up there, I start my day with God time because I believe in God, I believe in Jesus, I'm a Christian by faith. So after that I have gratitude, after that I have visualization, after that I have meditation, I have personal development, I have reading, after that I have English because my English is not perfect. I'm not an English speaking person, I'm a Dutch speaking person. I live in Belgium, so I have to work on my English. My English is not perfect. After that I have sport because I love to fitness. Normally I go to the gym, but today, those days, I will train at home because I follow someone to lose weight quickly, and the person helped me a lot. So I follow the plan of what he's doing. So because he's really experienced in what he's doing. So after that I have video editing. I have a few faceless YouTube channel that I'm working on, and I just take a course how to edit video in CapCut. So I work on that. I keep learning. After that I have YouTube, work on my YouTube stuff. After that I have P5 Sport. P5 Sport is a small brand I have, but right now it's print on demand, but I want to make my own products, but I don't find the right supplier yet. So if you know someone or a company that can make good sport clothing, just let me know so that I can get in touch with them. And after that I have thinking time, is in Dutch. Denktijd means thinking time in Dutch. After that I have planning. I will plan the day. I always plan my day ahead. After that I have brainstorm. I will do brainstorming with my wife on everything. After that I have family time. After that we will pray, and it's the time to go to bed, and it's the next day. I'm up every day at 4 o'clock. I'm up at 4 o'clock every day and to work because right now everybody's sleeping. It's only my baby is up. He's just 2 years old. He just become 2 years old. I will let you see him. He's here in the living room playing. Samorano, come talk to the people. Samorano, you see him there? That's my baby boy. We are up at 4 o'clock in the morning. He's just like me, some early person. He's just here watching his favorite cartoon. So that's gonna be my day today, and I want to thank you guys for watching. As the great Jim Rohn say, don't walk before me, I may not follow. Don't walk behind me, I may not lead. Walk beside me and be my friend. Peace out until the next time, people.